Hey, Vicki, out one of my favorite properties that I'm allowed to be on. I've been coming here for a long time, but I've never fished this farm pond. I know it's got catfish and bass and perch and stuff in it. So beautiful evening. It's third week of June. It's been really hot this past week, up in the 90s with high humidity, severe thunderstorms at night. But all of a sudden it's really nice today. It's not a cloud in the sky. It's 73 degrees, nice breeze, low humidity. So we thought we'd just come out here and see if we can't catch some fish. There's turkeys all up on the hill up here. They're in a little draw. They're on a knoll and they're up on the bank. They were down here when we were coming into the pond. We jumped them out of here. As I was reeling in, a little perch ran and got it. Oh, a big bass is chasing the perch. I've got a bass trying to eat my perch. A big bass come up and try to eat this perch. We don't have any real earthworms, so we're just using these little gulp deals. Just half of one. So we only got one pack. Got some other stuff we can use if we run out. Absolute gorgeous evening out here. The weather's amazing. With my favorite fishing partner. Oh, it took a little drag. Look at that. Wow, that's a nice one. That's a catfish. That's a blue cat, I think. It's pretty. As far as catfish go. All right, second cast. Got me a pretty good sized catfish. Yeah. See how he's hooked. Oh yeah, corner of the mouth. I think he's got one fish on. Is it catfish or bass? Yeah, they're strong. Oh, he came off. Might have broke you. Make sure your hook's still on there. We might have to lower your drag a little. Alright, I'm gonna get a release on this old boy. Go get bigger. Oh, there. Oh, there's a bass. It just ran right into a bass. There he is. First bass. I see it. I caught it on a spinner. It's only my second cast on a spinner. I thought that might get the bass going. I had 3 follow in on the first cast, and then on the second cast, this one hit. Here, look at here, bud. It's a nice one. Yeah. That's my first largemouth I've caught in a while. Okay. Keep tension in on it, like, you know what I mean? Like, let it hook itself. It's a circle hook, so it could hook itself. You got a fish on. That's a little, yeah, little perch. That's a little perch. That baby perch is what these bass are eating on. some of what these bass are eating on. Shoot, I think they're fun, especially on lightweight gear like this.
Bye, fishy. See you later.
I'll be honest with you, if we keep catching them like that, we're going to start using them for bait because it's super small.
That's the same.
I don't know if one of these bass can get that this bad. They can get a little smaller than that. Some bass can quite get that. You might be able to get that in his mouth. There you go. Told you. Oh, it's a little perch. And you're a perch magnet.
All I'm doing is catching perch.
That's okay. That's a sun perch. Got him with the main hook and the trebles. Cast out that way and catch a bass. Go down to your spot and catch your bass. Those bass are super fast. Something. Does it feel good? It's a bass. That's a bass. It's not a bass, it's a decent bass, honey. For a farm pond, I mean, it ain't as big as the one I caught, but it's pretty damn decent. All right, you gotta remember 4-pound test, so we're just gonna kind of drag on the ground. We're not gonna. Because it reminds them of the minnows that's in here. And that's probably something they feed on a lot. Let's get you a bigger one. Let's get you a bigger one. Yeah, sling it way out there and reel it in like you mean it. Because I got faith in your casting abilities. Is that official? Well, you ain't much for saying it. That's a jumper. I'm going to be a bass if it jumps like that. A real big one though. I think it's smaller than the last one. That's all right. It's a bass.
You're my first bass.
Oh yeah, deep.
What do I do?
Deep. Ah, deep.
What do I do? For real?
Yeah. It's deep.
Oh, it's bad. We do gotta go to the hospital.
Okay, I gotta get the fish off first. Let's not pull the pole here. No, here, Ricky. I've never had that happen to me in my life. Ever. Never had this happen. I've seen where guys have had this happen. I've never had it happen before.
We need to go to the hospital.
I just tried to pull it out and it just don't act like it wants to come.
Did it get out?
Yeah.
Oh my god, let me see it.
Well, let's not do that right now. Come here, Perchy. All right. He's got another one. She's tearing them up. It's all right, perch are fun. It's a pretty good size one.
He's pretty. He's blue out.
He's bluegill. nibbling mine. Ooh, look at her. That little perch. And you know, bobber fishing is how I grew up. I mean, you know, when you're a small kid, that's how. And when Dad first took us fishing, us boys, it was always bobber fishing. So it kind of, I think that's the reason why I like popping corks so much. Something about seeing a bobber go down is just so much fun. Put that one right in the top of the mouth. No, give me my bait back. Fish on. A little perky. That's a decent one. There we go. Ooh, damn, as soon as they hit the water. As soon as they hit the water, man. Come on, Perky. Hang up. Hey, give me my daggone bait back. I'll be right there. I just gotta get my bait back out of this perch's little mouth. Give me my bait back. Oh yeah, it's a good bass. Nice one. Yeah, good job, Vic. Yeah, that's about like that one I caught. Nice job. Like the one that got my finger earlier. I can't believe my whole life I've taken hooks out of fish. Never had that happen. All right. There he is. Ah, oh, come off. Man, he was a good one. Came off. Yeah, that might have stirred them up to where they might be still in a frenzy, so I'll cast again there. Sometimes when the bass or when any fish see other fish kind of fighting and they don't know what's going on, they think it's a feeding frenzy. So don't spook them that bad. Get that down. Oh, I just saw one come up. Oh man, oh, big one right here. Got him, big one. I actually need a net, dang it. This might be that big one. You'll never get back in time. I don't see any bank here. This is a nice one. And he ain't hooked real good. I mean, like literally he just, yeah, he is. But he's not hooked super good. Oh my God, he's huge. Oh, I can't believe that. That's that big one I was telling you about. Look at that fish. Woo! For a pond this size, that is all you can ask for right there. Dang, he actually broke the trebles off the spinner. He broke the treble off the spinner. The only thing that held him was the big hook. That was it. Man, you gotta get a picture of that, man, boy. That's a bass all day long right there. This pond. There he is. Well, that might be a little perch. Yeah, it's a little perch. Because I put these treble hooks back on. Just retied. There's Joe Fly says these teeny treble hooks in the back so it'll catch perch. Sun perch. Oh, I caught it with the main hook and the trebles. Dude, a big bass just went down the edge. I mean, a honker of a bass. this pond. It was swimming this way. Ooh, there's a fish, little perch. Damn, and there's that big bass. Oh man, perch just scared the bass away. Dang nabbit. There's a bass. Not a real big one, but not bad either. Oh yeah, here we go. Beautiful fish. Right along the edge of that grass. There's something. That was a little bass. Wasn't very big. Looked like maybe 9 inches, 8, 9 inches. It's like, it seems like where this grass starts to drop off into this deep pocket. That's about where they hit. Deep pocket starts right about there. There it is. There, got a jumper. As soon as that grass tapers off to that deep pocket, that's where it's at. Good fish there. Good fish, really good fish. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, that's a real nice one. I'll hold this one vertical. Wait a second, if I don't get a hook in me again. They got me really shy. I used to just be reckless about it. Break his damn treble hooks are not held on good by Joe Fly, I don't think. Did you hear that deer snort behind us when I was walking up? It's a good one. Just remember, not a lot of pressure on that handle. Oh yeah. Yeah, just pinch the line up here at the pole with your hands. There you go. And just wherever. There you go. Good job. Good job. Right now I'm gonna take a picture of you, because that's a good fish. Here you go. You're on up here.
Perches is so pretty.
They are pretty. Sun perches.
Man, he nailed that as soon as he hit the water.
He did. I was like, I just got the camera going.
Time.
I just got the camera going. I'm gonna try to catch me a catfish. He's still jumping.
Here you. You have to come here.
Oh, that's a good bass. Shoot.
Come here, fish.
There you go.
Come
That's
here.
it. Pinch it. Kind of drag it to keep the weight off. There you go. Perfect. Nice one, baby. Nice one. That's a real good one. I'll tell you what, man.
Oh, fishy.
You know, I like catching largemouth, but smallmouth fight a little harder. But, man, these things are a lot of fun. Yeah, jumper. Let's see.
Oh, they do jump.
Yeah. Smallmouth. Yeah, smallmouth jump more. Yeah. Smallmouth jump a lot and fight harder. Just a little bit. Not a huge difference, but there is a noticeable difference.
Hi, fishy.
Here, give it a kiss.
I gave you a kiss.
But I kissed the fish.
That was so
I can't catch a catfish if you're catching bass every 2 seconds now, babe. You should be able to pick up another bass right there, babe. Then we'll call it quits. I'm gonna cast out where I caught that first catfish. I like to catch one more. I think it's a lot good. And it's a bass. Oh, dang! I saw that bass. Hit it. That's the first bass hit I've seen on the. He was a nice one. I think I just jerked it out of his mouth. You know, circle hook, you can do that, but man, that was a good bass. Well, he's still out there, swirling around in the same spot. Well, that's catfish. Catfish got it. Saw a catfish come up. He ain't as big as that first one I got though. Oh no, it's a perch. A perch nabbed it from the catfish. You know what the catfish was nudging? The bobber. He come all the way up and nudged the bobber as this little sucker got the bait. I can keep a perch off of it long enough, I catch one of them daggone catfish. There's definitely catfish there. That's almost a bait size perch right there. Those bass eat a perch this size. That catfish just swirled on my bobber again. I don't know why. He comes up and he wants to hit that bobber. There's something. That might be a catfish. Might be him. He might have figured it out. Staying down. Oh yeah, that's catfish.
Catfish! Good job!
Yeah, I wanted to finish up with a good cat. You know, as it gets dark, it seems like catfish should feed more and more. Man, that's nice.
Don't most people go catfishing at night?
Yeah, at nighttime when they really. Well, there's a bass coming. There's a bass coming in. Look at that giant bass. Look at that big bass.
I see it.
That thing is big. Following
Very
that
big.
catfish because it thinks that catfish. See,
It's
watch, he's
feeding on
following it back.
something.
The bass is following it back. He thinks.
There's about 5 fish following right now.
So I got this catfish, and it's surrounded by bass. I don't even think I don't know if the glare will show you, but there is.
There's like 5 or 6.
Yeah, 5 or 6 bass. One of the bass is almost as big as catfish. I wanted to finish up with a catfish, and I was able to do it after a couple tries. And I can't believe all these bass it's done brought in. All right, come on, big boy.
I feel like I'm missing out.
Man, I want to get you to take a picture of me with that too. Come here, you. Let's go through. That's a good sized catfish. Where's a good bass? There he is. Oh, I don't know if that was him or not, but that's a good bass. Saw a perch swipe at it. Ah, perch. You smell that smell in the air?
Mm-hmm.
It smells good, whatever it is. There's a good bass.
You got him?
Yeah, I think that's him. That's him, babe.
Hey.
Woo-hoo. But that's what it's all about.
Oh, that's a big one.
Absolutely what it's all about. You gotta get a picture of that thing. That might be my biggest one today.
I think it is.
We just had a beautiful evening of fishing out here, 3rd week of June. The temperature now is probably in the upper 60s, low humidity, just absolute gorgeous evening. Fishing a pond that I've driven past more times than I can remember. I've been on this property for years, but never fished this pond before. Full of catfish and bass and perch, and just a really fun time this evening catching fish. So I thank you guys for watching. Until next time, tight lines.